kids call it karma, but the old folks say Holy Ghost. I am on your side, let me be your bride. Let me be your bride, let me wear your ring, let me change the way you think of things. Offer me perfumes, let me in your room. Sometimes when I felt like a martyr, I felt like a virgin again. Untamed by the ways of the vain, untouched by the burden in them. Because I was docile to the learning and open to the yearning, I fell beneath the tears of these banquet years that we both know so well. First you were wounded, which made you girls afraid. Come to me in stride, let me be your bride. Let me be your bride. I will spread my wings, I will cover the feet of the seraphim. Come to me in flames, take from me my name. Pay no heed to numberless needs, they will burn away. Make your peace with a wandering beast, it will burn away. You delight in the dangers you despise, you insist that your girls keep an air of surprise. They will burn and fray on our wedding day. Nameless and tame, they all believe the same. Sisters live inside, let me be your bride. Let me be your bride. I will dry your tears, I will keep alive these banquet years. Every song you sing